Sources have told Times Now that Baba Ramdev is holding some serious discussions now with his supporters on how to launch the indefinite hunger strike on the 4th of June. Jaguri is reporting on the story and is joining us live. Jaguri, we understand he's unlikely to make any public appearance, but very adamant to go ahead with his planned hunger strike.
Right, Harishri, we've been speaking to sources close to Baba Ramdev. Now, the word from his camp is that today Baba Ramdev is going to hold at-length discussions with his followers. Now, what we believe is that they understand the seriousness of the situation. They have seen how the government has been desperately trying to bring Baba Ramdev on the talking table to dissuade him from beginning this fast unto death. But we saw yesterday all efforts failed, and we've also witnessed how the Congress party and the government is divided on the issue. So Baba Ramdev's camp has realized the essence of the situation, and sources close to him have told us that, what the course of action that Baba Ramdev takes can, rattle the government. It has already sent jitters in the government. So really, they are holding discussions as of now, because we understand, as Baba Ramdev told us yesterday, that about 1 crore people are supposed to join here on the 4th of June when he launches the Satyagraha, the fight against corruption. If I can show you the preparations that are in place now, the Ram Leela grounds in Delhi would be packed to its capacity. We understand that this ground can accommodate people up to thousands, but we are hearing that the figures might just go further up from there. So really, the place is being cleaned up, tents are being put, all preparations are underway, because we understand that they are expecting a massive gathering here. We understand that Baba Ramdev has a mass support base, and he expects all of them to sing in one voice on the 4th of June when they come together. So Baba Ramdev, clearly today he is holding discussions and parleys with his followers, chalking out the strategy, how they are going to gain more momentum to get maximum support. Already the PR of Baba Ramdev is in full drive. We have been receiving text messages through the week that about so many people have registered. Are you also going to register in this fight against corruption? So really, the mechanism is in place to get maximum people join in this movement. And already we are gathering the information that Baba Ramdev, who was scheduled to hold a press meet today, has cancelled it, and he's going to stay indoors and discuss with his followers what is to be done on Saturday. Back to you.
Right, Jaguri, hold your thoughts. Let's listen in now to what Baba Ramdev has to say, the demands that he has put forth in front of the government.
विदेशों में जो जमा काला धन है, सरकार को उस अवैध धन को राष्ट्रीय संपत्ति वैधानिक तरीके से ऑर्डिनेंस के जरिए, अध्यादेश के जरिए घोषित करना पड़ेगा, और विदेशों में अवैध धन जमा कराने के अपराध को राष्ट्रद्रोह की श्रेणी का अपराध मानना होगा। इसके बाद एक पूरा बाहर से कैसे काला धन वापस आएगा, एक प्रामाणिकता के साथ उसका पूरा का पूरा एक स्वरूप, उसका एक पूरा का पूरा फॉर्मेट, वो प्रारूप देश के लोगों के सामने सरकार को रखना पड़ेगा।
In fact, let's listen to both Kiran Bedi, Arvind Kejriwal speaking to the media.
Baba Ramdev is raising a serious issue of corrupt money, which is another word for black money, while it is in India or it's gone overseas. Anna Hazare is asking for a legal setup. There are two sides of the same coin. That is why we are in this one voice. We've just come after meeting Baba, by the way. We've just come after Arvind Kejriwal and I have just come back to this program after meeting Baba. And once he understood, once he got the update of the committee, once he understood why this committee wants Prime Minister to the peon, it's Mantri to Santri. Why do we want the judiciary as a part of this Lokpal? I think it helped him understand the matters a little more. And now when you go back to him, maybe he'll give you a different view.
स्वामी जी आए थे यहाँ पे, तो हम उनसे मिलने के लिए गए थे, और जो प्राइम मिनिस्टर और इसके जजेस की वाली बात थी, तो हमने अपना पक्ष रखा, उन्होंने सारी बातें सुनी, तो मुझे लगता है कि वो बात करेंगे अब सबके साथ।
स्वामी जी ने आज वैसे क्लियर भी किया था कि मीडिया ने तोड़ मरोड़ के पेश करी उनकी बात।
बिल्कुल वो यही कह रहे थे कि उनका बिल्कुल इस बारे में ऐसा कोई वो नहीं था, उनका स्टेटमेंट अगर आप सुने तो स्टेटमेंट उनका बहुत अच्छा रहा है। उन्होंने ये कहा था कि ये कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट पोस्ट हैं जिसके बारे में गहन चिंता करने की ज़रूरत है। तो उसी चिंता वाले उसी एक स्टेप में हम लोगों ने अपनी जो बात है उनको बताई।